As a data analyst, here are my tips on how to become a data analyst in 12 weeks. Week 1 to 2, Introduction to Data Analysis. Start by reading a beginner-level book on data analysis, such as Data Science for Business, by Foster Provost and Tom Fawcett. Next, watch some introductory videos or online courses on data analysis to get an overview of the subject. Take time to explore different data analysis tools, such as Excel or Tableau, and try to practice with sample data sets. Week 3 to 4, Introduction to SQL. Learn the basics of SQL, which is a language used to communicate with databases. You can use resources like W3 Schools or SQL Zoo to learn SQL. Once you feel comfortable with SQL syntax, try writing queries against sample databases to practice. Week 5 to 6, Data Cleaning. Learn how to clean data using tools like Excel or Python. Data cleaning involves removing duplicates, handling missing data, and transforming data into a consistent format. Practice data cleaning techniques on different data sets, starting with simple ones and gradually working up to more complex ones. Week 7 to 8, Data Analysis. Learn how to analyze data using tools like Excel or Python. This includes filtering, sorting, and grouping data to find insights. Practice analyzing different data sets to develop your skills. Week 9 to 10, Introduction to Python. Python is a popular programming language used in data analysis. Start by learning the basics of Python, including variables, data types, and basic data analysis libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Practice writing simple scripts and exploring sample data sets to become more comfortable with Python. Week 11 to 12, Statistical Analysis. Finally, learn the basics of statistics, including measures of central tendency, dispersion, and hypothesis testing. These concepts are important for making data-driven decisions and drawing meaningful conclusions from data. Practice applying statistical concepts to data sets and interpreting the results. By following this 12-week plan, you will gain a solid foundation in data analysis, including SQL, data cleaning, data analysis, Python, and statistics. Remember, becoming a data analyst requires ongoing learning and practice, so don't stop after 12 weeks. Keep exploring new data sets and learning new tools and techniques to continue to grow your skills. Good luck.